Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, tonight I'm gonna make some sausage with spinach, some pasta sauce, some cheese, some broccoli. I don't really know what to call it exactly, but it's pretty good. I've made this a few times. It's pretty good. Definitely keto friendly. So as soon as I get back here, we're gonna get started. It's gonna be good. Yo, man, I'm just doing my walk, and I'm gotta say, I am just so sick of this fucking heat, man. I mean, it's almost October. Are we ever gonna get rid of this? All right, so I start with 2 cups of broccoli florets. I chop them up nice and thin. Put those aside. I have a half a cup of some Parmesan cheese. Anything will do. Like, I just use like regular Kraft. And then we have some other stuff here. We're gonna use some crushed red pepper, a little salt and pepper. The rouse we're gonna hold off for, and same with the mozzarella. So for the time being, now that I have all that prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and cook up 2 slices of bacon here, and then I'll be right back. These up here, these guys aren't too bad. They're definitely more of like a lazy or dirty keto, because you can see there's 3 grams of sugar in here. So it's basically 3 net carbs per, and we're actually going to use the whole pack, but we're not eating all of this. This is not just 1 serving. Rare this happened. End up cutting the damn package, and it's still sealed in here, the last one. After some technical difficulties, I've got all these sausages cut up in about half an inch, and probably made about, I don't know, about 40 different slices here. So we'll check on our bacon. So the bacon's almost done. Normally I don't cook it in cast iron, but I'm using cast iron today for this meal, so I didn't want to dirty another dish. So as soon as this is done, we're going to go ahead and cut this up into little pieces with scissors. With that remaining bacon grease, we'll go ahead and throw our sausages in here. Make sure you stir it up so it doesn't stick here on your cast iron. Keep it on a high heat because we're going to want to get these guys pretty seared. And then in the meantime, I'm boiling a little bit of water right here, and we're going to throw our broccoli in there for about 3 or so minutes. So I move my sausages on the side, and I go ahead and throw in my minced garlic right here. And I'm going to let this kind of brown in that for about a minute or so, and then stir this in. Meanwhile, the broccoli is just about done, to my liking anyway. You can let it cook longer if you like softer broccoli. So we're going to go ahead and strain this. Cut up about 2 cups, 2 or 3 cups of spinach. Really just depends on how much spinach you like. You can do more, you can do less. Do as much as you want. Remember, no one ever got fat eating too much spinach. Our chopped bacon, our broccoli, our Parmesan, and our pasta sauce. And we're just gonna kind of get this all mixed in real good. And we're gonna turn this heat down and let it simmer. And we're gonna go get our spinach next. We throw the spinach in here, our pepper, our salt, and our crushed chili. And we're going to stir this up and let it simmer for about 5-10 minutes. Through the magic of editing, 10 minutes are gone. Everything's good. Go ahead and turn off your heat, and we're going to go ahead and plate this. Okay, plated. And what I like to do is throw a little bit of mozzarella on top of it as well. And that's a wrap. This should serve about 3 to 4 people. Honestly, it's probably going to serve me twice because I like to eat. But this is definitely awesome. Low carb dinner you can make super easy anytime. So anyway, if you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.